Hello everyone, JenwhitePosh here. So I am actually doing a review on a product. So as you can tell, my hair is very freshly colored, bleached, and I wish I would have done a full video on this amazing product. This one actually is the Ion Bright White, and this is enriched with hydrolyzed keratin for superior conditioning, and it's a lightener. It's actually a cream, so it's not a powder, and I totally fell in love with it. If you see my previous videos, you will see I had a lot of outgrowth. It was very dark, and I didn't want to bleach my whole hair because I plan on staying pink, going back to this color pink, but I really wanted to get the dark color out of there so that I could have it all one pink, and it did a just phenomenal job. There is very few colors or spots that I did not get, and if it missed any, if you see a spot at all, that would be user error. But it was really easy to use. I used the 20 developer with it, the 20 volume developer with it, and absolutely it was about 50 minutes, 40 minutes I left it on. Enough time. There was no burning, it didn't smell odd, and there was no heating up. It feels amazing too. I did happen to wash it with shampoo and conditioner. Of course, I used my Perfectly Posh As If You Hair and Trust to Impress conditioner. I used a lot of conditioner because this stuff is amazing. It has obsidian oil and some Kiona in there, so really great stuff, and it feels even better than when I actually bleached it. So no makeup on, you guys are seeing me all fresh face and absolutely in my bathroom, but I had to share a review on this. I absolutely would give this product a 10. There was no burning, and as you can see, I got the perfect lightening out of it. Of course, I would recommend, if you didn't want the kind of highlighter yellow going on, to use a toner, and they have some really neat toners in this collection. But I totally love it, and the first step of going all the way pink is fully in process. So I totally really recommend the Bright White by Ion. It is totally, the Color Brilliance is totally an incredible product. It does have some good ingredients in there too, like safflower oil. So super, really impressed with this. Yes, the sunflower oil in there. So really good stuff, and I hope that you guys enjoy the little tidbit, and I will let you know how the second step of this goes. I will be using the Ion, I believe it's magenta. So it's the same color I used last time. I am just totally thrilled with it. I'll go through my hair again for you guys because just literally, absolutely, I'm thrilled. You could say I'm tickled pink. So thanks guys, have a great evening, and if I can help you with any of your poshy needs, please feel free to let me know at JenwhitePosh.